Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde, working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil College. In this video, we will see example on projection of lines. So write down example. The top view of 75 mm, top view of 75 mm long line AB measures 60 mm is measures 60 mm and front view length measures 50 mm. Front view length measures 50 mm. Draw projection of line AB if end A is 15 mm above HP. A is 15 mm above HP and 12 mm in front of VP and 12 mm in front of VP. So we will draw projection of lines for this numerical. As here angle is not given, length for front view, top view and true length is given. First of all, draw XY line. Give name to this line as X and Y. Now, measure 15 mm above HP and 12 mm in front of VP. So here 15 and this distance is 12. Okay. Now give name to these points as this is front view, so this is point A dash and this is top view, so point A. Now draw horizontal lines from points A dash and point A. Now next it is given that top view of line which is 75 mm long measures 60 mm, that is top view length 60 mm and true length is 75 mm. So for this measure 60 mm length on this line, so 60 mm, and draw vertical line in front view. Like this. Now I have drawn this line and this distance is 60 mm. You can show here, that is top view equals to 60. As I have started from top view, you can start from front view also. Now true length is 75 mm given. So measure 75 mm in rounder So this is 75 mm and mark from point A dash on this line. Now this is the new point. I will give name to this point as point B1 dash and draw horizontal line from point B1 dash and give name to this line as locus line of point B in front view. Now you can join this point A dash and point B1 dash. So this is the true length, which is 75 mm. Now front view length measures 50 mm. So measure 50 mm from point A dash and draw vertical line from that point in top view. Show here distance front view 50, front view equals to 50 and show arrow. Now I have drawn the vertical line from front view 50 distance. Now measure 75 mm, that is true length, in your rounder and draw a arc taking A point as center. Now this is the point we have got. Give name to this point as point B2. Now draw horizontal line from point B2. And give name to this line as locus line of point B in top view. Now join line AB2, which is the true length. So true length is equals to 75. Now next step is, as we have got these 2 points, and now we will draw front view and top view. So for this, for drawing top view, take this distance in rounder and draw arc up to the locus line of point B. So this is the point B we have got. Now this is top view. This is the top view, which is 60. So top view is equals to 60. Now same procedure we have to follow for front view. So this distance shows 50. Draw arc up to the locus line of B in front view and give name to this as point B dash. Now join A dash, B dash which is the front view having distance 50. Now this is the angle alpha made with front view, and this is angle beta made with top view.